Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my beautiful Caribbean music lovers. Welcome back to Ray Starz Reactions. Today, we are going to go way back. We are going to dig into the crates and go way back for some Zouk. And the artist today is Eric Virgal. We are going to react to Eric Virgal. And the title of the song is Fè Mwen La Pen. Fè Mwen La Pen means don't break my heart or don't hurt me. And this is a very old track that was requested by someone, and we are going to take a listen to it. Again, this is Eric Virgal, Fè Mwen La Pen. Let's go. Beautiful. This is what Zouk is all about. I mean, back in the days, this was Zouk. And this is Zouk. Eric Virgal, better known as the Martinican Crooner. Ah, beautiful. This guy has a beautiful voice. He is always on my playlist. So I highly recommend that you take a listen to Eric Virgal's albums and his records. Really, really good. And on this track, the title is Fè Mwen La Pen. So what he's saying is, like, I would go to the end of the world. I've given you my heart. I would do anything for you. So please, just don't hurt me. Don't break my heart. Beautiful stuff. It's beautiful stuff as always, huh? Then on this track, Katherine Parize is the other artist that is singing with him. She has a very beautiful voice, but on the album, if you notice, she doesn't have credit as as a duet. It's not there as a duet. It's just Eric Virgal, but she is credited on the album as a backup singer, as in the chorus. But she is not the main singer that is with Eric Virgal. Pretty strange. I don't know why, but she could hold her own next to Eric Virgal. She has a beautiful voice, and she seems that she is really trained as a singer as well. She seems accomplished behind the mic. Beautiful song. Okay, so let's get back into it. Eric Virgal, Fè Mwen La Pen. wow. And that's what Zouk is all about. This is Zouk. Beautiful song. Eric Virgal, he has a soulful voice. The Martinican Crooner, that is what he is also known as. And Catherine, also, her vocal is really good on this track. I highly recommend that, you go and find out more about Eric Virgal, or better yet, come back here and I'll introduce more Eric Virgal. So for most of you, this is the first time hearing Eric Virgal. This is one of the best, but he has a lot of tracks with the ladies. Oh, fun fact again. I saw this guy in concert, just by pure chance. I was invited to like a little gathering. And this guy, he has stage presence, I have to tell you. He reminds me of like Mark Anthony. When you see Mark Anthony on stage, that guy is, he's great. And Eric Virgal, he has presence. And I have to tell you, this guy, I'm a guy, and I gotta tell you, this guy is really easy on the eyes. Okay, a very handsome guy. He's the kind of guy that I was thinking, don't bring your girlfriend next to this guy. Very dashing, debonair kind of guy. That's what I was thinking. But anyway, great singer, great track. Fè Mwen La Pen. Please, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. All right. So this is Ray Star saying peace out.